Oracle, we make already 10% plus profits. What is the target price today? I'm going to give you the insights from the chart and teach you how to use this method for your next stock. If you miss Oracle, click like, subscribe, share with your friend, follow my channel and click the notification. So now we look at Oracle. Okay, when I tell you, hey, this is the buying price, basically, is on this red candle, but the signal is on this green candle. So basically, I post 1 day later. Why? Because I find out 1 day later. So you see, this is one big green candle. They go above both line. The blue and the blue change the direction. What is the blue? The blue is YM Club Long to tell you what is the trend. Okay, now look at the purple. The purple also from downward, the tilting upward. This is the first buying price. This is the second. Why that one is the first buying price? But this one is more important because we know they will come down. Why? Because the blue is still tilting downward. Okay, so we have a lot of institution come in already. If you look at weekly chart, you can also see two things, more things. Here, YM chip entry, we have institution come in, number one. Number two, we have the purple candle, it means oversold, okay? We have purple candle oversold. Third, the red is tilting upward. Okay, when the red tilting upward, this is the action point. That's why I'm looking at this stock on daily chart to see any buying price. Basically, this candle is quite a big jump because it's up 29%. Okay, and YM big buy is one green candle here, and YM cheapest. We have this purple light tilting upward. Is it great? Yes, the answer is yes. If you like more this kind of stock, click like right now. I need your support because now the like is too little. Okay, I want more like. So now we go back to daily chart. So we know the buying price. How do we know the projection target price? This is quite easy to do. You don't need my indicator to do that. So you see this double bottom. We use two methods. You see, basically we are hitting two double bottom here. Basically, this is a W shape. Okay, we just go above it. With traditional method, you buy much later than I do. Okay, I'm going to show you the trick. With traditional method, you can buy with the trend line. Basically, not even go above the trend line yet. Okay, we're going to copy this. Uh, this one. Okay. So basically, this is a trend line to tell you, hey, this is the first buy point. The second buy point is not yet there. Okay, but will be quite late because with my indicator, my first buy point is even on this candle. People get panicked. They don't want to buy. Why? Because they don't see the signal. They see the signal yesterday because they go above the W zone. Okay? But still okay. You can still make profit, but you make much less than us. We buying here. Okay? We buy here and here. So basically what happened is when the W shape, I'm going to teach you. The height of the W shape, you copy and paste from the top to the bottom. Okay? When they go above it, do you see the W zone? This is a box here. So you copy and paste, you make another candle and you put on top. And that is your target price. That is your target price. So you just put on top of the box. Okay? The the top of the box basically is around 171. 171. Okay? So you put on top 171 here. Okay? So basically they're pointing to 219.5. 219.5. And the next strategy is you can use golden ratio to do that. So you click this button, you click the first one. Okay? So from the low, you point to the high of this wave. So what happened is if this is a strong, hmm, If they are strong enough, they can go higher. If they're not strong enough, they cannot go too high. So this is minimum 193. Okay, but with the W method, we know very easily the resistance is around this level, and you can see there is a gap. So it's quite crazy. First, the top of the gap, three here, 217. Okay. Second, we have a golden ratio 0.5, 216. So basically, everything is pointing to this level, around 216, 217, 218, this level. Is it crazy? So basically, this is my target price. This is not for the recommendation. This is only for the education to teach you how to see the target price. And if you have my indicator, it will save some time. When they go up, when they arrange around this price, I will check the red line and the blue line. When they drop below the red, I will reduce my holding. Okay? Or when they drop below the blue, I reduce my holding. Is it clear? So this is one of the method how to sell easily. This is so cool because the red is the fast trend line. The blue is regular trend line. You can use either one because it's one candle go above. Depends on your trading time frame. If you have time every day to check the daily chart, you use the red. Okay? If you don't have time on checking every day for 1 minute, then use the blue. Okay? Okay? Is it clear? So the next thing, look at the money. Look good. We have institution come in, but the green not yet kick out. So we maybe tomorrow, today, I don't know when, but maybe we will have some shaking here. But our target price is around 218, 216, 217, this level, okay? So anyway, I don't trade with prediction. I trade with my indicator. If they are so frustrating, they go big drop, they drop below the red, they drop below the blue. Let's say they drop 30%, for example. Of course, I will cut loss. Of course, because they drop below everything. With my system, sometimes you still need to cut loss, but you win big. You have a bigger possibility to win bigger money. That's how the system works. You cannot have one system to have 100% winning rate. No, I don't care winning rate. I care how much at the end I win. Okay, this is the concept about trading. So if you looking for high, like 100% winning rate, don't do any trade. Just put money in the fixed deposit because you're looking for no risk. Does it make sense? So if you want high return, you will have higher risk. But my system is lower your risk and tell you how to buy at the lower price, how to buy lower than other people. Okay? And you know what is the institution doing? Institution is increasing their holding. So are you safe? Yes. You know where institution is buying. Are you safe? Yes. So if you're not too dumb, suppose you're making a lot of money with my system. If you want this indicator, you can click the like, you can click the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Click like right now so I will know you actually watching this video. Okay? See you next video. Bye.